That's the Panasonic FZ82, and every time it's powered on, it's showing this message: this memory card is write protected, and I cannot take a photo and I cannot take a video. Okay, so to fix that problem, it's even showing it. That's the SD memory card, and on the left side there is that red marked small tab, and that has to be pushed up. Then it will not be write protected. Okay, so power off the camera, push this little thing to the left and the door should open, and push in the memory card and remove it. Okay, and it is mentioned here, let's see it. So when it is down, then it's locked. This small little tab is down. So to unlock it, just move it up. Now it's unlocked, now it's locked. So unlock it, push it up. Okay, so insert it with these metal pins up. Okay, close it and lock it. Now power on the camera. And now it is unlocked. I can capture a photo. There's the photo, and I can preview it with this button. There it is. It's not write protected anymore. Delete. Yes. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.